Have you ever boiled an egg and felt the discomfort of doing so? The egg whites crumbled, and boiling many eggs at once seemed impossible. Today I'm going to share several simple methods that have completely changed the way I poach eggs. Do you have drinking glasses at home? If so, let's start with this simple method. First, I cracked 6 eggs into a bowl. Next, gently separate the egg yolk into a separate bowl using a spoon. At this step, simply work slowly, sliding the spoon under the yolk to separate it. Next, in a large bowl, I placed a large, heat-resistant glass cup inside. I poured boiling water inside to rinse it evenly, allowing the cup to heat up gradually. Then I took the cup outside. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. For the egg whites, I gently whisked them with a fork to mix them evenly, then slowly poured the entire mixture into the glass. I poured hot water into a pot. I placed the cup inside the pot, making sure the water level reached the rim of the cup. I used a small plate placed on top of the cup like a lid to keep it warm. Then, I kept the water simmering gently for about 20 minutes. I prepared Pater heat-resistant starches. At the same time, I mixed about 200 milliliters of warm water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then stir well until the salt is completely dissolved. This warm salt water helps to give the eggs a milder flavor and also preheats the cup so that the eggs cook more steadily and evenly when poached. Then, I poured a little water into each cup in turn. Then gently crack the egg inside. Because it's held in place in the cup, the egg will have a neat, round shape and will cook more evenly and have a smoother texture during the cooking process. Next, I prepared a steamer pot with water already at the bottom. Then carefully place each cup inside. In the center of the pot, I placed a small bowl and poured about 2 tablespoons of vinegar into it. When heated, the vinegar will evaporate slightly, helping to reduce the natural fishy smell of eggs. Then I put the lid on tightly and placed the pot on the stove. I steamed them for about 6 minutes, just enough for the egg whites to set softly while the yolks inside remained smooth, creamy, and slightly rich. After 6 minutes, open the lid. When enjoying it, you just need to discard the liquid and keep the egg. The finished product consists of hot, soft, and smooth poached eggs with a light texture and a very attractive appearance when served on a plate. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. In the next section, I will guide you through a simple and time-saving trick. Maintaining a stable temperature will allow the egg whites to solidify slowly, forming a smooth, firm mass. At this point, I use a small plastic tube or a lightweight round tool to gently create a hollow channel through the center of the egg white. This is what creates the very interesting effect in the next step. I whisked all the separated egg yolks, then slowly poured them into the hole I had just created, making sure the yolks were neatly contained inside. Once finished, I put the lid back on and continued to keep it simmering for another 20 minutes to ensure the yolks were fully cooked. Once the eggs in my steamer were cooked, I took them out and let them cool. When the eggs are cool, I use a round mold to gently press and shape the egg mass, helping to make the surface more even and visually appealing. Now you have a long egg. When sliced with a knife, you'll see that each piece of egg has the yolk in the center, surrounded by a uniform layer of egg white, creating a very unusual and interesting shape. This is a small trick, but it will surely surprise everyone when they see the egg dish presented at the table. Poached eggs on a spoon. First, I crack an egg into a sieve. Then I gently shook it to allow the thin, white liquid to drain to the bottom, and then poured it into a separate bowl. This filtering step helps remove the overly runny egg whites, so when poaching, the eggs will be neater, without white strands separating in the water, and the finished product will look much more appealing. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I boiled a pot of water. While waiting for the water to boil, I prepared a large ladle and brushed a thin layer of oil onto its surface. The oil prevented the eggs from sticking as they began to solidify. Then, I gently poured the strained egg mixture onto the ladle. I gently touched the ladle to the surface of the hot water, but without letting the water seep inside. The heat from the water would gradually cause the egg white to solidify and maintain its nice round shape. Once the outer layer had started to stabilize, I gently tilted the ladle to allow the egg to slide down into the pot of water. At this stage, the egg already has a well-formed outer shell, so it will maintain its shape beautifully during the poaching process. The soft, smooth egg white completely encloses the yolk in the center, creating a very attractive and appealing appearance. When you cut it open gently, the yolk slowly flows out, rich and smooth, making the egg dish much more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.